Hello, in this video, I'm going to give some very good trading tips. Most of us are working really hard these days. 100-hour week or two jobs is not that rare anymore. You are tired, you are burnt out, and your manager is probably tired and burnt out too. People expect a lot from you. And now there is something new to worry about. What if AI takes your job? Meanwhile, the truth is things are getting more expensive everywhere. Learning to trade could be one of the best ways to improve your financial situation. It's important to read the market and understand strategies, from simple tools like moving averages to more advanced techniques like market profile, fib levels, etc. You should learn when to buy, when to sell, and how to navigate the market confidently. Trading is not easy, but it's definitely a skill you can learn. For many of us, it could be the most valuable skill to pick up this year. To help you get started, I've put together a training course. It's based on powerful methods to read, understand, and respond to the market, drawn from my personal experience. It's a web-based training with multiple modules that take you one level after another, and it has been priced very affordably, less than $100. Let us start off with our analysis on SPY. SPY continues to make new all-time high, and the short strategy is invalid until and otherwise it breaks the 2024 closing price. For that, first it has to fill this gap. This week it's going to be choppy because on Friday you are going to have the job reports, but even today there was a buying tail. It's a footprint left by buyers who think higher prices are ahead. You can see that buying tail in an expanded monkey bar where it just dropped and then started moving up. So strategy at a high level should be stay long or stay aside, and being on the put side might be rewarding in the future, but as of now it is going to bring some pain. My first pick is UnitedHealth. I actually had mentioned about UnitedHealth a couple of days back, but notice it was stagnating, and all of a sudden today it had a nice solid rally with a good buying tail. Recall, a buying tail is a footprint left by conviction buyers who think higher prices are ahead and they buy the dips. How do I know? Look at a buying tail here. Look at a buying tail here. Small buying tail here. Small buying tail here. As of now, it has gone up and closed at high of the day, meaning there's a good chance it has lot more room ahead. And let's check what is that lot more room. If you are a trader, you need to know few things. First, there's a huge gap here and there's a monster gap here. These gaps tend to attract like magnets once the stocks starts moving, and it looks like after a long consolidation, today is day one. And with fib levels, it's showing about 333 and the next is 385, which could even fill the gap. I will not worry about the bigger gap for the later one, but as usual, right now, this looks very good to the long run. And notice the weekly chart also, it's steadily moving, and I'm expecting quickly to go to 23 fib or 38 fib. The weekly TTM is also in sync, and the daily TTM is also coming up to speed. You can see the light blue bars. Next one is Nike. The reason why I like Nike is after the earnings, it had a good state, and now it is back above the 50 fib, which brings up, which means, like, there's no fear of the gap fill, and at least for now. And it can, once it breaks 74.25, it brings up the channel, and the channel price is somewhere around 75. This is the channel line I'm talking about. So somewhere around 75 easily. On the weekly chart, it looks clear, and I'm going to draw a fib level approximately. So you have around 80 or 81 possible quickly. As for the stop loss, you have to wait for, if it breaks the low of the day of earnings, you got to be out. But if you have a shorter time frame options, then it will have to be at 50 fib of the big day. The last one is, of course, the mighty Apple that had a solid day yesterday, and today it has been digesting. So for this, the stop loss of about 203, which is a 50 fib, could be there, and then you can take a trade. And if you look at the monthly, the daily chart, it is the 213 is the next point for 200-day moving average, and TTM has also changed. So most likely there's a good chance this could also get to 214, and all of these things are dependent on the job report, which would be the next big binary event. I want to leave you with a very good quote from James Clear. Mastery is the best goal because the rich can't buy it, the impatient can't rush it, the privileged can't inherit it, and nobody can steal it from you. It can only be earned through hard work. I don't know about other areas, but this certainly applies to trading. I hope you check out my web-based training, and all the information is in this link, and you have all these modules at a high level that is mentioned here, and the price is less than $100. Thank you.